We just launched it in the morning. So this is a modular camera. We have multiple lens, multiple modes. This is a 360 one. You can see front and back. We have two lenses, so they work as a 360 camera. And we also have the 4K lens. This is a single lens here. And we also have one more, the co-engineered with Leica, the 1-inch sensor. So they serve for different situations, they have different functions. For this one, you can use it for extreme sports where you don't know which the angle is the best. You just shoot first in 360 and then you do the reframe later. And with this one, when you are certain about what kind of things you want to shoot, use the 4K model to shoot, to use it as a traditional action camera. And when you are shooting under low light for dark scenes and even for underwater, you can go with the larger sensor, the 1-inch sensor, which can give you more professional shooting possibilities. So basically, it's very easier for you to just interchange with the modes and with the lens. And we even have special editions for drone over here, and also the 3D edition. So for drone, we can divide the lens on the front and behind. So in the footage, the drone will be invisible in the footage. You can have one above and one in the lower angle. And also, because of the algorithm, in the footage, the drone will be invisible. You will not see the drone in the footage. And also with this, for every like normal user, you can have the very professional FPV shots as a pose. So it's very easy for prosumers, for normal customers to have the incredible drone shots.
We have been waiting for the last few days for the launch of the Insta1R and this whole revolution of Insta360 that has brought into this market. You know that I also do 360 videos, and you have seen that those are usually shot by Rilo. But if there is a 360 camera in this planet, probably Insta360 is the best. Now guess what they did? They changed this whole game and made this whole camera modular. So apart from having a 1-inch sensor, these are modules that you can totally separate. You can also buy the charger separately and connect this at the bottom and make an extra boost out of this. Now the fun part is that this time all of our 360 cameras, they do not actually work very good in low light scenarios. That is the reason the super wide angle 1-inch sensor comes into play, because this 1-inch sensor can beat any low light condition. Just when you guys thought that it's all ended right now, look what Insta360 has done. For the first time, all of you guys who are watching the channel and flying drones with me, building custom drones and everything, if you're even building FPV drones, which I've got a lot of tutorials for, you will also notice that this is the first time you can put a unit on top, at the bottom, and your drone will not be in the picture. Imagine making a VR world just by using your drones flying in different locations, obviously legally, duh, I mean we do legally out here and everything. Imagine the drone being not in the picture. That's how revolutionary it is. So yeah, and thanks. I really wanted to give thanks to Coco for explaining everything to us. This Insta360 1R is the product of 2020. If you guys are into AR, if you guys are into VR, if you are a VR content creator, obviously you're going to go for the pros that we are going to show later on. But as a consumer, as a regular user, this has enough of punch. So thank you guys, thank you for watching. This is a whole another experience by Insta360. And obviously, as usual, they present with a clean black box that's so good and well presented. And when you open it up, you get the whole experience of the Insta360 inside. So that is the whole experience of the Insta360. So thank you guys for tuning in. And in our next episode, we are going to roll over to another category. We are going to check out some other products. But from Insta360, this is the newest launch. But before we go back, let's quickly go back and check out some pro stuff that's coming up right now. freaking amazing. It's as if I'm in real life. Whoa, I'm on top of a bridge right now. It's kind of scary, but whoa, you guys need to try this just to believe that how awesome this world looks with contents like Insta360, text like Insta360. Wow, it's just beautiful. Oh, that was a nice experience.